just like mom.
Hi, welcome to Just Like Mom. Today, Emily had a wonderful walk. Oh no, Emily, you got mud all over yourself. Oh, I will help you undress. Wait. Oh no, even your boots got dirty. Look at the coat.
Girls, you went for a walk. Where did you go?
Oh, we just went for a walk on the street.
Oh, Emily, look at all this dirt. And you also have dirt on your coat and boots everywhere.
Emily fell into the mud.
It's okay. We will wash everything. Let's go to the bathroom. Emily, let's go.
Okay, I'll get these. Oop, oop, oop. Emily, look. Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do.
Girlfriend, it's like we're in a theater. So funny.
Wee.
Do you see the stain over there? Let's first soak the stain and scrub it. First, let it soak. And then get it scrubbed. It's time to put the clothes in the washing machine. Let's do the same with the coat as well. Make sure you use the kids' detergent soap. Just a little. That's enough. Now let's set the temperature.
But girlfriend also has a stain on her sweater. I just have one stain.
Girlfriend, come here. This is wool. You should never put it in the washing machine. All we could do is hand wash it. Come on, girlfriend, let's take it out. Let's use the special detergent for dogs.
What a good smell.
Trust me, it will smell so fresh.
The boots.
Emily, what is this? You gotta be careful. Let's try these.
I'm sleepy.
Well, first you have to brush your teeth and then you get to sleep. Well, it's time to go to bed. Well, okay guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye.
Tomorrow also we'll go to the street.